Hello children, today we are going to do the new lessons, that is early humans. Under this we are going to learn the life of early humans, then the second one, where do they live, the third one, what did they eat, and the fourth one, what did they wear. First we are going to see the first one is life of the early human. See children, as for today, we live a very comfortable life. We have a proper shelter, means proper home to stay. We have a proper transport, means a vehicle to move up and down when you go to school, when you go to market, or when you go anywhere you want. You have a proper transport to go and proper clothes to wear. We have got a proper food and many things that makes our life very easy. But in the early time, in the early humans who lived many years ago, it was very different. They lived a very hard and a very tough life. Now we are going to see the second one. Where do they live? As for us today, we have our own home. Okay, we live in our own home. But the early humans, they do not have a proper shelter, means a proper home to stay. They live under the open sky. And this, it was not safe for them. So they started to live in caves to keep themselves safe, or to protect themselves from rain, from heat, from cold, and from many other things. Okay. Next one. What did they eat? They do not know how to grow food in the early humans. They do not know how to grow food. So they move from place to place in search of food. And they gathered, they eat roots of plants, they gathered root of plants and fruits, and they hunt or they kill the wild animal. That is their food. So the next one is, what did they wear? They do not have a proper clothes. As I have told you, they do not have any clothes to wear. They don't know how to wear clothes. So what do? They cover themselves with the leaves and the dead skins of the animals to keep them warm. But slowly, later, they learn how to make fire, and also they learn how to grow food. And they started to settle or to stay in one place to make their own home for themselves. I hope you have understood, and you go through your books and you will see, you read it nicely. That's all children for today. I'll see you in the next class.